Welcome to Autoearn.top. This is our latest software called Faucets Collect. It automatically collects rewards from various faucet sites, even mining sites without requiring any investment. First, go to your dashboard. Copy your main API key. Then download the Faucets Collect software. Once downloaded, open your computer's file manager. Create a folder named Autoearn in either C drive, D drive, or E drive. Inside it, create a text file called API and paste your API key there. Now, copy the zip file you downloaded into this Autoearn folder. Double-click the zip file and extract it. Next, run the file called FaucetsCollect.exe. It may take some time to open, as it needs to download software from the internet. This happens only the first time, or when there's an update. Make sure Windows Defender or any antivirus does not block the Autoearn folder. You can also check the file at virustotal.org if you so wish. Once the software launches, click OK. It will now display your username, credit balance, and generate some folders and files. You can also view your results in the Results tab. Important: do not use this on proxies, VPS, or VPNs. Most faucet sites will not work in those environments. Now exit the software once. Go to the Autoearn folder. You will see a new folder called My Info. Open the subfolder named FaucetPay. Inside, enter all your valid FaucetPay wallet addresses. Now go to your FaucetPay dashboard and click the Wallets menu. Paste your BTC, TRX, and other deposit addresses into the correct files. Next, you'll need to enter your FaucetPay email and username. Copy your FaucetPay email and copy your exact FaucetPay username. But make sure not to include any special characters like exclamation marks. Paste your username into the correct file in the FaucetPay folder. This is a one-time setup step. Now for your wallet addresses. You'll need to paste each valid deposit address into its respective file. Do the same for other wallets like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or any supported token. That's all. Once done, run the software again. It will start collecting earnings automatically. Note: site availability may change. Some sites might stop working or get removed at any time. If you need help, contact us on Telegram. Search for Autoearn Help or find us through the Contact Us page on the website. Join our Telegram channel for updates and support. If someone signs up using your link, you'll receive bonus credits. Each referral gives you 1,000 free credits. You can see logs showing how credits are used and earned. Finally, your credits are used to solve CAPTCHAs. But in most cases, you will earn at least 5 times what you spend. Thank you for using Autoearn. Happy collecting and goodbye.